Today's top chefs are quietly integrating affordable tools into their workflow to save time, boost precision, and elevate consistency. In this video, we're revealing 6 budget-friendly Amazon gadgets that professional chefs are actually using behind the scenes. These aren't gimmicks, they're practical, powerful, and surprisingly affordable. Whether you're a home cook or an aspiring chef, these tools can instantly upgrade your kitchen game. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Precision over price. Professional chefs care about results, not price tags. One of the most underrated tools in modern kitchens is the digital food thermometer. While it may seem basic, it's a gift. Chefs rely on it to eliminate guesswork and ensure food safety without sacrificing texture or flavor. Another favorite is a simple kitchen scale. Instead of eyeballing ingredients, chefs measure everything precisely. This leads to consistent recipes, better baking results, and less waste to beauty. These tools are incredibly affordable, yet deliver professional-level accuracy. Segment 2. Speed is everything. In a professional kitchen, time is one of the most valuable ingredients. That's why chefs often turn to tools that speed up prep work. One such gadget is a handheld vegetable chopper. Another favorite is a garlic press. While some chefs prefer using a knife, many opt for this tool during high-pressure moments. Efficiency is the hidden advantage here. These gadgets allow chefs to focus on creativity instead of repetitive tasks. Segment 3. Small tools. Big impact. Take silicone spatulas, for example. They're heat-resistant, flexible, and perfect for scraping every last bit. Another underrated tool is a microplane grater. Chefs use it for everything from zesting citrus to finely grating cheese or spices. This is where professional cooking truly shines, not in complexity, but in attention to detail. And these small gadgets help deliver exactly that. Segment 4. Clean as you go. One habit that separates professional chefs from amateurs is cleanliness. Bench scrapers are a perfect example. They help transfer ingredients, clean surfaces, and maintain order during prep. Another essential is a compact dish rack or drying mat. Chefs often wash as they go, keeping their workspace clear. Segment 5. Smart storage solutions. Vacuum sealers, for example, are becoming increasingly popular even in budget-friendly versions. Another smart gadget is a set of clear, labeled containers. Visibility is key in a fast-paced kitchen. So there you have it, 6 budget-friendly Amazon gadgets that professional chefs are quietly using every day. The real takeaway: you don't need expensive equipment to cook like a pro. With the right tools, you can transform your kitchen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which gadget you're excited to try first. Your kitchen upgrade starts today.